how to replace the lid gasket on your Avid USVX chamber vacuum sealer. The lid gasket is around the chamber, and this is what helps form a seal between the lid and the chamber when the chamber goes under vacuum. If it becomes distorted, worn, or damaged in any way, then you'll want to replace it. If for any reason you're not forming a good seal between the lid and the chamber, this could be the #1 reason why you're not forming a good seal. So it's something that you'll definitely want to check and replace if it's too compressed or, like I said, damaged in any way. So before you change out your gasket, make sure you pay attention to the direction that the gasket is facing. On the USVX, that has a little fin all the way around that is facing outwards. So whenever you replace your gasket, you're going to want to make sure that your new gasket is facing outwards also, otherwise you're not going to get a good seal. So all you have to do, start in one corner and pull the gasket all the way out. Once you have your new gasket, pay attention to the direction that you're holding it. The flat edge of the gasket is going to go down inside of the channel. Make sure that the fin that's on the gasket is facing outward. So go ahead, start one section of the gasket and in the corner, and go ahead and just press it down into place, and then make your way around the gasket channel, pressing it in. Make sure not to stretch it in any way because you don't want to deform the gasket. It should be the perfect length to fit all the way around. And once you make it all the way around and having it all pressed up, make sure it's uniform. And then go ahead and run a test vacuum cycle to ensure that you are getting a positive vacuum in your chamber.